Hello, beautiful people! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm so excited to share this stunning crochet blouse collection with you all, a hand-picked selection of beautiful, adorable, and elegant crochet blouse designs that are perfect for anyone who loves fashion with a handmade touch. If you're looking for blouse inspiration for your next outfit, special occasion, or even your next crochet project, then you are in the right place because these designs are absolutely breathtaking. Crochet blouses have become one of the most loved fashion pieces because they combine elegance, creativity, and timeless beauty. Whether you prefer something simple and classy or bold and detailed, crochet always adds that unique handmade charm that makes every outfit stand out. In today's collection, you'll see a variety of gorgeous styles, from delicate floral patterns to modern geometric designs, from fitted silhouettes to relaxed and flowing looks. Every piece in this collection has its own personality and beauty. What makes crochet blouses so special is their versatility. You can pair them with skirts, jeans, trousers, or traditional wear, and they still look fashionable and elegant. They are perfect for weddings, parties, casual outings, church events, or even everyday stylish wear. One thing I truly love about these designs is the craftsmanship behind each piece. The detail, the texture, the patterns, and the finishing all show the beauty of handmade artistry. Crochet is not just fashion, it's creativity turned into wearable art. If you are a crochet lover, a fashion designer, or someone searching for inspiration to create your own blouse, I hope this collection gives you plenty of amazing ideas. Feel free to save your favorite designs, screenshot them, or use them as inspiration for your next project. And to all my amazing viewers who love handmade fashion, let me know in the comments which design was your favorite. Was it the elegant floral pattern, the modern chic design, or the classic timeless style? Also, if you enjoy content like this and want to see more beautiful crochet collections, fashion inspiration, and design ideas, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel. Your love and support mean everything. Keep creating, keep inspiring, and keep shining with style. See you in the next video.